Class 9, Subject Physics, Chapter 1, Measurement of Length. First, list count. The smallest value of a physical quantity which can be measured accurately with an instrument is called the least count of the measuring instrument. Suppose meter scale. Meter scale. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Second, vernier calipers. It is a device used to measure length accurately up to 1/10th of a millimeter. It has two scales, the vernier scale and second the main scale. 1/10th of a millimeter is equal to 0.1 mm is equal to 0.01 cm. It can be measured least distance by vernier calipers. Principle of a vernier. Vernier calipers comprise two scales. The vernier scale denoted by V and second the main scale denoted by S. The main scale is fixed but vernier is movable. The vernier scale slides along the main scale. The main scale is marked in centimeter and each centimeter is divided into 10 parts, that is millimeters. Vernier scale consists of 10 divisions that are equal length to 9 millimeters on the main scale. N enlarged. Suppose the length of m-1 main scale divisions is equal to length of m vernier scale divisions. Therefore, m-1 number of divisions of main scale multiplied by S is equal to number of divisions m on vernier scale multiplied by V. एम एस माइनस एस इजकल टू एम इंटू भी। और एम एस माइनस एम भी इज इक्वल टू एस, टेकिंग एम कॉमन, एस माइनस भी इज इक्वल टू एस। Therefore S minus V is equal to S by M. It is a figure of vernier calipers. According to given figure, it is known as inside gauge and it is known as outside gauge. J1 is fixed, it is not movable, and J2 is movable jaw. It can move on the main scale. The function of outside gauge. To measure the length of a rod, diameter of sphere, external diameter of a hollow cylinder. Second part, inside jaw. To measure the internal diameter of hollow cylinder or pipe. Keep this side inside. Strip T. To measure the depth of a beaker or a bottle. Main scale. To measure length correct up to 1 millimeter. Vernier scale helps to measure length correct up to 0.1 mm. There are two kinds of zero error. Positive zero error, if the zero mark of the vernier scale lies towards the right side of the zero mark of the main scale when both the jaws are made to touch each other. The zero error is said to be positive. Second, negative zero error of vernier. If the zero mark of the vernier scale lies towards the left side of the zero mark of the main scale when both the jaws are made to touch each other, the zero error is said to be negative. In this figure, if the zero mark of the vernier scale should coincide with the zero mark of the main scale, in this position the 10th division of the vernier calipers coincide with the 9th division of the main scale. If it is so, vernier is said to be free from zero error. Second, the vernier mark of the zero right side of the main scale zero mark. It is known as positive zero error. The fourth division of vernier caliper, vernier scale coincide with the main scale, fourth division. So positive zero error is plus 0.014 centimeter. 0.04 centimeter. Third, the sixth division of the vernier scale coincide with the main scale. So the sixth part, it means minus negative zero error is minus 0.04 centimeter.
Start.
The least count of vernier calipers is equal to 0.01 centimeter, and the fourth division of the vernier scale coincide with the main scale. So zero error is equal to plus 4 into least count is equal to plus 4 into 0.01 centimeter is equal to plus 0.04 centimeter.
Start.
Correct reading is equal to observed reading minus plus 0.04 centimeter is equal to observed reading minus 0.04 centimeter. Third, the least count is equal to 0.01 centimeter. Sixth division of vernier scale coincides with main scale. Zero error is equal to minus 10 minus 6 into least count. Then minus 4 into 0.01 centimeter is equal to minus 0.04 centimeter. Correct reading is equal to observed reading minus 0.04 centimeter. Therefore, observed reading plus 0.04 centimeter is the correct reading. Homework: remember and write notes.